Hello viewers, I have been using iPhone 14 for a couple of days and I am quite impressed with this smartphone in 2025. So if you ask me whether you should buy this iPhone 14 in 2025 or not and what will be the best price for this product, stay tuned for the video. If you are using iPhone 13, in that case you will not feel any difference because iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 are similar smartphones. Both the iPhones come with a 15 Bionic chipset, but 6GB RAM is there on iPhone 14, whereas iPhone 13 is equipped with 4GB of RAM. Similarly, you will get more updates on iPhone 14 compared to iPhone 13. The cameras are great on iPhone 14. Even in cinematic mode, you can shoot up to 4K 30fps. That is not possible on iPhone 13, which is capped at 1080p 30fps on cinematic videos. You can check out the quality. The details are excellent. This is a normal footage and 4K 60fps video. In this shot also details are good enough. If you are someone who likes to edit videos on iPhone, in that case this iPhone 14 is excellent for you. Also, iPhone 14 comes with action mode in videography, so you will get stable footage. However, iPhone is best known for their video stability and video quality. iPhone 14 comes with 6.1 inches OLED exterior display. Display quality is top notch. Outdoor visibility is also not a problem on this smartphone. Now, if you talk about the performance of this smartphone, currently this smartphone is running on iOS 18.4.1. already iOS 18.5 is here, but I did not install the latest version. I have bought this iPhone 14 in used condition. You can see that 86% battery is left. 86% battery health is good enough for iPhone. I am normally getting 6 hours plus SOT on 5G and Wi-Fi. If you want to buy this iPhone 14 in refurbished condition or used condition, in that case, if the quality or the condition is good enough, then you can pay around 32 to 33,000 rupees. And if the condition is good, in that case 30,000 would be the best price for this iPhone 14. But I will not recommend you to buy this iPhone 14 in new condition, because in that case you have to pay around 40 to 42,000 rupees during offers. In that situation, I will recommend you to buy iPhone 15 either. And if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, in that case you can get iPhone 15 at around 45,000 rupees. So in that case 42,000 for iPhone 14 is not good enough. So what's your thought regarding iPhone 14? And if you want to buy this smartphone in 2025, definitely you can consider this smartphone in used condition. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.